Hey, welcome back to another video of trading basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to use Webull application for beginners. First of all, set up your account. Download the Webull application and sign in to your account and complete the identity verification. Once verified, you can deposit funds to start trading. Second is navigate the home screen. The home screen provides an overview of your portfolio, market data, and news. You can easily monitor your investment here. Use the Markets tab, which is at the left-hand side of the screen. It helps check popular stocks, trends, and market indices. This tab also provides customized watch lists for tracking your favorite stock. You can also buy and sell stocks. To buy and sell stock, you can choose between market limit and stop limit order based on your strategy. You can use research and analysis tool. We will offer technical charts, indicators, and financials. You can add moving average, volume indicator, and other tools to analyze stocks. You can also practice with paper trading. Go to the More tab here and click on Paper Trading. You can create a blank paper layout from here. For beginners, paper trading feature is great for practicing trade with virtual money, letting you learn without risking real funds. Webull includes educational resources and community features where you can learn from other investors. With these basics, you will be ready to explore the Webull application further and start making informed investment decisions. So this is how you can use Webull applications. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.